Alright, welcome back to the mining cabinet. We're going to call this 24 hours, 23 hour, 55 minutes. My IceRiver AL0, as Greater Good Mining calls it, the mini mining beast. So I've actually shut off the fans. Oh wait, no I didn't. I actually shut off the fans because it's running so cool, even though it's in my 100 and something degree garage. There we go. And it's so cool. You can see the 30-minute hash rate is 386, but I turned them down to like 10%, and the 5-minute hash rate's gone up to 512. You can see it's kind of gone up and down over the last hour and 10 minutes, but it's, you know, trending. I don't know which way. I guess it's coming this way. Anyway, it's, see the dotted line right there. Well, not the dotted line. The gray line is 400 gigahash. So it's been up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm hoping that it's more like a KS0 Ultra, and if you let it just do its thing, it'll put out a little more hash rate if it runs a little warmer. As you see, I've got no rejected shares, but this doesn't get us paid. The pool gets us paid. I chose Humpool because it wasn't the top pool on mining pool stats.stream. So I wanted to spread out the hash rate. So in 24 hours, I've gotten paid 0.34, and I have a pending balance of 1.31. So quick math in my head is 1.651. And I should have, there it is, CoinGecko open. Chia. Oh, what a joke. Anyway, Alephium. It's down a little bit, and what did my quick math say? 1.651. Dun, 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 dun. So in 24 hours, 1.651. Made $2.90. So whoever said these things are making $8 or $9 a day, yeah, those days are already gone, because let's take a look at the where are the statistics? The network hash rate on 8/25, which today is Tuesday, so this is Sunday. My guess is DHL doesn't run on Sunday. So the network hash rate was 3.47 petahash. Today, the 27th, well, this is actually showing the 28th, so it's in a different time zone, but it is 7.83. So in 2 days, the hash rate has more than doubled, which means your rewards have been cut in half. So for one, I'm glad I didn't order a third one, because unless Alephium goes on a huge run, it's not gonna be pretty. Let's see, what has it done in the last month? It's kind of treading water. What they say, moving sideways. Yep. I guess it got all the way up in the last 3 months. It's been up to get it to hug that 220. What's this peak, right? Yeah, we'll go to that big 217. Yeah, so 220, 217. Of course, in a year, it's way up, so we're looking good. So maybe with all this attention and activity focused on Alephium, it'll drive some interest, some players into the markets to purchase, and of course purchasing it is going to drive the price up. But that is my 24-hour results, no matter how grim it may appear. Let's see what we're doing now. Been up 1 day and 1 minute. Our 5-minute hash rate is 390. Our temperatures are still good, so we're just going to leave that alone. So I guess I'll check back in a couple of days, give you guys an update, see how it's going, but that's what it is. At this point, if I were you, I wouldn't be spending $800 or more on an AL0. Now, if they cut the price in half, I may be tempted to get another one, but it's going to have to get under $500, probably under $400 before I even consider buying another one. I'm just going to take some of my KASPA miners and put them on unmineable, and probably not even mine Alephium anymore. It's not going to be worth it. You're not going to get enough. I'm probably going to move into some smaller stuff. Maybe mine some more Doge and some more SHIB and hope that they make a big run. And then maybe find some other shit coins and unmineable, build some bags of those. So thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you like the content, please subscribe. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you.